Words can't express the joy and fulfillment I have for seeing Summer S.T.E.A.M Family Camp come to fruition, become a reality. Today is Saturday. It's like the first major day that we've had our workshops for both adults and their children at the same time. There were definitely some glitches with kind of the noise factor of not having the partition walls completely done, and so we made it work though, and I just have an amazing team, just some amazing campers that supported this and came alongside of us to go on this adventure and be in Orlando, Florida, to learn about themselves, maybe find some ways to pivot in their careers, or even just reflect on what they've accomplished so far, but what they would like to do for their children and with their children. I know I even wrote some things down on things that I would like to improve on. One in particular, having more family dinners, was a big takeaway for me. We have not been consistent with that. Early in COVID, we were doing that quite a bit, but now that COVID is starting to go away, we just have gotten away from that. And I think those kind of meetings are important. Just like the S.T.E.A.M Family Camp is important. It gives that same kind of opportunity to come to the table, so to speak, but in a beautiful retreat environment where both the parents and the children can have some time together, but also some time for them to be able to develop themselves personally.